It's my face though, okay? Not that there's anything significant to look at. So I just feel a little bit without the, I guess without the tie. You ask me, it ain't that deep. But then again, it might be. I just feel like Pops used to say on the Wayne's Brothers, you got to be coordinated. So if you ain't coordinated, whatever. Let's enjoy life. Look at this. Look at the serene peace out here. It's a beautiful thing, if you ask me. So, just enjoying. This is peaceful. On a Monday of all places. On a Monday. Protect your energy.